How to make a perfect circle with a rope. Adjust it little by hand or put it on the can. Actually, you can find 4 straws and connect them together. Then put it in soapy water and take it out. Then place the rope on the soap film. The rope is still a mess. Poke it with your finger below. He became a standard circle. Seeing this, some friends may think, why is it round and not some other shape? This has to mention surface tension. It is known. When the soap bubble bursts, the liquid film around the circle will become thinner. This causes the surface tension to increase. The greater the tension, the greater the pulling force. Therefore, the surrounding fluid shrinks until the liquid surface area reaches a minimum. This is why the soap bubble you blow is a ball. Kelvin, a physicist who loved playing with soap bubbles, was obviously unable to sit still after observing this phenomenon. For a single soap bubble, the ball is the best form of expression. What if we connect multiple soap bubbles of the same size together? Under what circumstances do the bubbles occupy the smallest surface area? This is the famous Kelvin problem. It is known in 2-dimensional space. The answer is honeycomb. In 3-dimensional space, Kelvin believed that the bubble should have a structure composed of angle-resolved octahedrons. The octahedron contains 6 squares and 8 hexagons. In the more than 100 years since it was proposed, people think this is the most perfect soap bubble. But until 1993, Kelvin's bubble burst. The bubble named Wilfred broke this conjecture. He was discovered by physicist Weir and his student Robert Phelan. Unlike Kelvin bubbles, Wilfred bubbles use 2 crystal structures of equal volume. The dodecahedron is composed of pentagons. The tetradecahedron is composed of 2 hexagons and 12 pentagons. The surface area of this soap bubble is 0.3% smaller than that of Kelvin's. If you can save raw materials, you naturally can't waste them. So in the 2008 Beijing Olympics, this soap bubble has been applied. This is the water cube we are familiar with.